everything that the world can make, and I need you so bad, but I don't know where you are. I cry these tears. On our own, we've been so far. We've swallowed the moon, we've counted a million stars. My love, stay true. Friends that have come and gone, some people left me alone, but I've stared at these walls before, and they made me blue. All alone in my heart I've known there's one thing in my life that still rings true. I can count on you. Count on you to be there. No questions in the air. No asking why or when. No looking back. Count on you every time to ease my worried mind. And you'll forever be important to me, my miracle find. If I had to choose one place to spend the rest of my days, anywhere will do, long as it's close to you. Whoa. I've traveled so far, yet I'm right back where you are. just me and you. Now and forevermore, as the years roll by, I'm beginning to see that I can count on you. Ayan, maraming salamat sa iyo, Sir Benny.